Here we go, Henry. Same thing. Grip. Break those grips. Break and go. 2 on 1. Up. Watch that. Good, pick it up. Kick the leg back. Outside squeeze. Hold guard. Good. Cover. Bump. Heavy. Come out the back, go. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. On this side. Get under. Get the head out. Right hip, go over the cancer, your right hip. Turn your right. Control his arm like a Kimura grip.
Women, white belt, you're going to be on mat 1.
Take your time.
Mat 1.
Keep the leg rolling through. There you go. Keep a hold of his knee. Roll through now. Start taking the back. Head and arm.
Bump.
Walk it up like a spider.
Bump, get the underhook.
Walk it up.
Bump, get the underhook. Make space. Bump, underhook. Left arm underhook.
3.5. Keep the left shoulder tight, control the knee now.
You gotta make some space as much as you can there.
There you go.
Get it.
Hip
Don't
down,
let him out.
hip down.
You're sweeping.
Sweep. Go.
Back the head and arm. Shove it through, put the knee down.
Andrew, you're blocking one side. You know that, right? Push the knee back in.
Just throw that leg more. Just right arm down to the knee.
To the mat.
Put the right hand down to the knee. Make space. Right hand down to the knee.
Good.
Nothing there. Bump. Control there. Come up.
Come on.
Defense here.
Go.
Defense. Stay tight. Step over the butt. Step over the butt.
You just went over this, Andrew. Grab your bicep.
Flatten him out. There. Flatten him out. Grab his knee. Now flatten him
Okay,
out.
to close your guard up.
Flatten him out. I'll turn back.
There you go.
Good. 2.
We're up, Hickory. We're up. 2-0, guys.
Good guard pass.
2 minutes to go. Get a good grip.
Break that grip. 2 hands on it. Break it. Posture up.
tight.
Break it. Now.
Make it tight.
Break it. Pop.
Elbows to your ribs.
Pop. 2 on it, Andy. Head up. Pop. Grab it. Pop.
Don't let them make posture.
You start breaking grips.
Push that arm across.
Knee in the butt. Give him some back pressure.
Go to the back. There you
Get
go.
that arm back. Get that arm back. Now flatten him on the mat.
All key positions have been called. Moving on to the
Pick him up.
Double ankle.
following the personal
Get it. Shake.
Push it down.
Push it down.
There you go.
Good again. Do it again. This time you got to control the press, control the hip.
circle up open on mat 3. We're going to be running the extra 17.
Put that elbow.
Get it flat. You got to get it back on the mat. Get it back
Get
on
a
the mat.
good grip.
I need a pass, Andrew. Stand up, pull him up, push leg. Pick him up, push leg down. Take his whole body.
1 minute. Sleeve the collar. Break him back down.
Pass. Pass. Keep on passing. Keep on passing. Knee and pass.
Push the knee down. Push the knee.
Pass. Keep on pushing it. Pass.
Come on,
Andy. Keep pushing. Come on, Andy. Push. Andrew, drive that knee out. Come on.
Come on, man. Come on. You got it.
Take it.
Don't let him pass.
Take it and cut that knee in the mouth.
Come on, man.
Andrew, we need this. Come on.
Come on, you can do it.
Shake.
30 seconds.
Shake.
Come on, Andrew. Get up.
Control his arm.
Yeah.
Keep the
Andy,
guard.
up and cut. Cut through tap.
Frame his neck, Hickory.
Up, cut through. Stand up, cut through. Pop up, cut through.
Good.
Pass. Control. North side. Right hand on the side of the hip.
Yeah. Hold it.
more.
Put the hook in. Put the hook in. Put the hook in.
Beautiful. Good work, Andrew. Nice job, bud. No hugging. Because I'm just so happy. Nice job, Andy.
Nice.
Ryan Cummings.